So welcome back everyone, Triple M here, and today we got a bit of news on the YouTube TV and Roku situation that has been developing. Now, if you guys have been following this, Google and Roku failed to agree on terms as far as renewing their agreement with YouTube TV being on the Roku platform. So a lot of finger pointing were going on. Roku is blaming YouTube, saying that they're asking for preferential ad placement and some other accusations. Google is saying that basically they just rehashing the already existing contract and just to put it in place for the next term. So a lot of finger pointing. We're not sure who's in the wrong, who's in the right, but at the end of the day, Roku went ahead and removed YouTube TV from their platforms. So when I say remove YouTube TV, if you already had it downloaded on Roku, you still be able to use it. However, if you're a new user or if you deleted the app for whatever reason, you weren't able to go to the store and download it again. Well, today we got a bit of news, and this is coming from Google. So this is another email that was sent out today by YouTube TV to existing Roku and YouTube TV subscribers. So an update to Roku users. Today we're introducing a new feature that gives you a new way to access YouTube TV from within the YouTube app. This update will be available to all YouTube TV members on Roku over the next few days, and we will expand this to many devices as we can over time. So here's how it works. Make sure you have the YouTube TV app downloaded on your Roku channel store. From the YouTube TV app, simply click on Go to YouTube TV in the left-hand menu. If it's the first time you're doing this, you will need to sign into YouTube TV. You can learn more at our help center. So it gives a nice little graphic, guys. You just basically launch YouTube TV. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you should see the option that says Go to YouTube TV. We're still working to come to agreements with Roku to ensure the continued access to the YouTube TV app for our mutual consumers. As of right now, existing YouTube TV members still have access to YouTube TV app on Roku devices. As a reminder, you can still cast to your Roku devices from a mobile device, tablet, or computer by following these simple steps. So they also left some instructions there. You can also continue to access the YouTube TV app using all devices listed here. So they also have a list of devices. We hope this is helpful, and thank you again for your patience. For further updates on this issue and our efforts to resolve it, please visit our website. So definitely some good news for YouTube TV and Roku users. I have a couple Roku devices, and this is my Roku stick, and this one I got an update as soon as I launched it, but the update was not there. So I do have YouTube TV on here, but if I go to the YouTube app on this device, and you can see if I go all the way down, that option is not there to launch YouTube TV. However, if I go to the YouTube app on my 65-inch Roku TV, I do see that option at the bottom, guys, and this works pretty well. So launching YouTube right now, and all I need to do is go all the way to the bottom, and you can see that the option to go to YouTube TV is there. Now, should let you guys know that I do have the YouTube TV app on here, and it is signed in. So let me just show you that here. So if I go to the YouTube TV app, you can see that it's already signed into my account. However, if I go to YouTube TV from the regular YouTube app, and if I go all the way to the bottom, I'll go to YouTube TV. I'll click on it again. You can see it launches the YouTube TV again. However, this one is not going to be signed in. So if anything, that's just justification that if you don't have the YouTube TV app, this is a separate interface, guys. It runs through YouTube, works just as well. And like I said, nice to see that they actually came up with a solution to actually help the users get to their content that actually has the Roku devices. So let me know what you guys think of this new development. Like I said, Roku can simply remove YouTube from their platform, and then this would take care of that problem. But hopefully they come to agreement soon that will just make everyone happy and everyone able to get their content from the app that it was meant to come from. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Smash the thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.